welcome to another video. For those who don't know me, my name is Ester-Melissa and I'm a health coach and a life coach, and I'm here to support anyone who wants to become a healthier, stronger and happier self. Recovery is part of fitness. Not a break from it, not something extra, just a real, essential part of how the body becomes stronger. Movements build strength, and recovery allows that strength to stay. When you train, you place stress on the body. Muscles respond, nervous system responds, and hormones respond. Recovery is the phase where the body integrates what you've given it. This is where repair happens. This is where balance returns. And this is where resilience grows. The body is wise. It thrives on rhythm. Effort will be pause, restore, and grow. Fitness lives in that cycle. Recovery is often misunderstood as weakness. In reality, recovery is respect. Respect for the body's signals. Respect for the nervous system. Respect for the energy levels, seasons, hormones, and life itself. Listening to your body is a skill, and skills are part of strength. Recovery can look different for different people. Sleep, gentle movements, stretching, nourishment, breath, warmth, stillness, and support. For some, recovery means rest after heavy training. For others, recovery means moving gently after a long period of stress. Both are valid. Both are fitness. Fitness is not only muscles and heart rate. It also includes the nervous system. A calm nervous system supports coordination, endurance, and healing. A supported body responds with steadiness instead of tension. Recovery gives the nervous system space to settle. And from that space, strength feels safer. Recovery is personal. What restores one body may differ for another. Pain, fatigue, and capacity are individual experiences. Each body carries its own history, needs, and timing. Comparison fades when respect grows. Progress happens when effort and recovery work together, not when one replaces the other. Consistency comes from sustainability, and sustainability grows from care. Fitness includes movement, and fitness includes recovery. When you allow both, the body responds with trust. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to restore. You are allowed to grow in your own rhythm. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this touched your heart, you are always welcome to like, subscribe, and be a part of this beautiful community of growth and healing. You deserve a life where you feel healthy, strong, and happy. Sending you love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.